Good morning. Looking out to the east, you can see the light starting up on the horizon, and that little sliver of white there, that's the crescent moon rising here this morning as well. So a nice view to start off our day, and one of the few times where if you step outside, you're not going to catch a chill by going out to take it all in. And we've got a warm day ahead of us today, and temperatures this morning that are starting off relatively mild here. Most of us into the 40s, and a lot of places too in that 50-degree range. 50 in Roseau, Detroit Lakes, back over to Gwinner, and in Jamestown, all at 50 degrees. It's 54 in Valley City, and Fargo and Grand Forks are both at 49 degrees right now. We're looking at wind speeds that are light. In fact, a lot of calm reports again this morning. So not only is it clear and quiet, we've got calm air at this point, and it's not forming into fog either as well. Even though we do have calm, clear conditions, we're looking at visibility that's being reported into that 10-mile range, which is the maximum limit we can report. Here's a look at your radar and satellite map. You can see clear skies, some clouds to the south again, basically kind of a repeat of yesterday, except those clouds not moving as far north as they did yesterday. So places like our South Dakota counties back over toward the Traverse County area, that's where we're more likely to see a few clouds moving through. But overall, a mostly sunny day ahead of us. We're looking at some rain down in Sioux Falls. Again, more rain down into South Dakota and beyond here this morning with that active weather pattern south of us continuing. And again, we stay on the cool and quieter side of things. I should say warmer side of things now that we're starting to see those temperatures climb. So here's a look at our hour-by-hour planner today. Some 40s to some low 50s to start off this morning again. Lots of sun, so that's going to do its job to warm us up rather quickly. We're going to be into the 50s to low 60s by 9 o'clock, heading into the noon hour, hitting that 70-degree mark at that point in time. With the wind rather light, not really much of a factor for us today. It won't be a nuisance, and it's also not going to really warm us up either or cool us down. We're just looking at relying on that sunshine to heat us up here today. This is noon again, and as we head into the afternoon, we're watching those temperatures rise into the 70s to some low 80s for some. Fargo, Grand Forks hitting that 80-degree mark here this morning, or rather this afternoon, and then up to the Devil's Lake area and Langdon, we're looking at about 80 degrees for you there as well. You can see that there are some clouds out to the west and up in the northern valley, but overall a sunny day, a mostly sunny day in the valley, even if we do get some clouds. And this evening should be beautiful. Temperatures in the 70s and 60s in the evening hours. This is midnight. We're still doing just fine temperature-wise. And in the overnight hours, a few more clouds that will actually have to insulate us a little bit. We'll get temperatures into the 50s to start off the day tomorrow. So heading into the rest of your day on Thursday, expect some sunny skies mixed in with a few clouds, but check how warm we are in the noon hour. We're already into the 70s, even approaching 80 at that point, and there will be places that do get into the mid 80s tomorrow, especially in eastern North Dakota. Over into Minnesota, right around 80 degrees for your high too. So really feeling like summertime heading into your Thursday. Now as we head into the evening hours, we keep things warm. Another nice night ahead of us tomorrow night. Might even be a little too warm for some, especially since we're not used to this just yet. Here's your photo today. Lilacs in bloom. This is in the Comstock area. Thanks Tiffany for sharing this. And we've got some great photos of the trees blooming and the lilacs. We're really looking at some great conditions out there right now, and lots of green too. I'll look at your 7-day planner. We're really warming up. We're going to see some 80s here in the forecast, 70s and 80s, and temperatures that cool down just a little bit this weekend as our next chance for rain moves through Friday night and into Saturday. So that means just a slightly cooler weekend, but temperatures that are still doing okay. Some 70s as we head into next week as well.
Okay, I like it. Finally feels like summer is here. Or getting into summer.
Right, warm and sunny too. It's not just one or the other.
Thank you, Lisa.
Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's the 2019 Drone Conference that's happening in Fargo. And if you're curious about the drone industry, stick around. We have event details coming up.